Hey everyone, today let's talk about setting up recurring reminders with Pushcut. If you're like me and need those little nudges to stay on track, Pushcut makes it super easy to set up reminders that repeat automatically. First, update the app to the latest version in order to get the newest features. Open up the Pushcut app, okay, and head over to triggers, okay, and then what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and click add trigger, right? You have two options now, right? You can set that you can set that trigger in a specific time, like 8 a.m. every single day, or on a weekly basis. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? You're gonna select the time zone right here, and let's say 1.7, okay? And you can see right here the location constraint. You can just go ahead and toggle this one on. The trigger will be activated when you're at that location or when you're not at that location. Does that make sense? So you go when you're not in that location, you can just go ahead and set, let's say, your address, right? And when you're at that location, you can just go ahead to the location and set your location as the place that will trigger this reminder, right? And you're gonna see right here, input for notification. You can just go ahead and type, hey, go to the gym, right? Go to the gym. You're gonna hit done, right? And after you selected your location and allowed it, right, you're gonna be able to basically hit done at the top right, and basically you're gonna be able to activate that trigger whenever you're at that location or when you're not in that location, or just toggle this one off and set it on a daily or weekly or monthly, right? You can see right here also the location, right? The location right here, if you select, let's say, this location, right? When you arrive at that location, this trigger will be activated, or when you're leaving that location, this trigger will be activated, right? And you're gonna see right here on the trigger, the same thing, right? From the 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. or if you want it to be weekdays or weekends only, you can just do that on the location. And you're gonna see right here, delay notification, show after 45 minutes when not returned, or if of departure. And you're gonna see right here, show after 45 minutes. In my case, I'm gonna change it to 50 minutes. And you're gonna see also right here the notification. Select the notification section. I'm gonna hit the first automation, which is, I'm gonna add this trigger to my first automation, which is my first notification. Hit done at the top right, and now you added your trigger, so you can receive that little nudges to stay on track. So that's it. With Pushcut, your reminders are not just recurring, they're smarter and more useful. What kind of reminders do you plan to set up? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. I'd love to hear how you're using this feature. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.